everyone, welcome back to Tiny Tots World YouTube channel. Today is the story of the family who cooked together. One bright morning, Maya and her little brother Arjun, mom and dad were at home together. Mom said, "Let's cook a special family lunch today." Dad chuckled, "But cooking takes so much work." Maya shouted, "Let's all help. It will be fun if we do it together." Arjun giggled, "Yes, I will be the helper chef." And so everyone tied on aprons and got ready to cook. Maya carefully washed the vegetables while mom showed her how to do it right. Arjun pretended to stir the pot, saying, "Look, I am the boss chef." Dad carefully chopped the tomatoes, making funny faces to make everyone laugh. Mom added spices and said, "Cooking is like magic. Every flavor matters." Together, they added the vegetables, stirred the pot, and watched the food sizzle. Arjun tasted the food and shouted, Delicious." Maya set the table with plates, cups, and spoons, feeling proud of her work. Dad carefully carried the hot pot and placed it on the table. They all sat down, served the food, and laughed together. Each bite tasted extra special because it was made with teamwork. Mom said softly, "This is the best lunch ever because we made it together." Arjun laughed and said, "Team family wins." After eating, they even washed the dishes together, turning into a game. And from that day, the family learned a secret. Chores become fun when done with love and teamwork. Remember, children, helping at home makes work easier and brings family closer together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this story, please subscribe, like, and share my channel.